Okay, ready for prep trans out?
Ready here.
Ready here. Cut
There it
selfie.
is.
Also prep turns out.
We are in prep trans out.
F radius command 160.
Next loop. Minimum altitude was lower already at 115.
Ready?
Yeah, loop elevation is 32.0.
Okay, selfie.
Things are looking good here.
6 o'clock. Slowing down hard and flare.
Trans out.
But gentle. Maybe it's a different angle. How's that
Tether
roll?
pitch is 60,
beautiful.
roll is minus 16,
Where's
looking
tension?
good.
V-twist is looking great.
Tension is
Touch
10.
is good. 10.
Coming into
Roll looks
Prep
good, pitch is getting
transform.
better.
Yeah, you're gonna hover prep transform down.
Kite looks healthy.
Waiting for Z air and
yeah, we were pretty high, so we're
Just
coming
off.
down.
No saturations.
So you want to stay in prep transform down for a bit,
Yep.
right?
yeah.
The buoy looks already,
Vessel angle is damping.
yeah, it looks pretty
Vessel position is still quite a bit displaced.
rolling. Robbie, what's the roll angle? Increasing
All right,
tension.
30,
40.
40.
It's
Pilot
diverging.
hover.
Yes.
Pitching back.
Minus
Elevation
70.
angle, one,
Whoa,
Tether pitch is
throttle's all the way
100.
up.
Pitch is 99.
6 degrees elevation angle, 12.
Oh, come on, come on, come on.
Oh yeah.
Stop everything.
Step in the ground station.